Hello students, today we will learn about algebraic operation with significant figure. Fine. Before this we have read about significant figure, right? Now you know what is significant figure. Yes, you know how to count significant figure. और आप लोग ये भी जानते हो कोई नंबर अगर आपको दिया हुआ है इस तरह का या इस तरह का, अगर मैं बोलूं कि इसको दो डिजिट के दो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर में कन्वर्ट करने के, देन आल्सो यू कैन डू, राइट? सो टुडे वी विल लर्न एल्जेब्रिक ऑपरेशन विद सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर. जो भी हम लोग पढ़े उसका मोटो क्या है, सो दैट वी कैन यूज दिस थिंग्स इन ऑपरेशन. ऑपरेशन मीन्स बेसिक ऑपरेशन वी नो, दिस इज एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड डिवीजन. तो फर्स्ट वी विल लर्न अबाउट एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन, राइट? तो एडिशन, फॉर एडिशन वी नीड मिनिमम 2 numbers. For subtraction also we need minimum 2 numbers, right? So first of all you have to count number of significant figure after decimal, right? After decimal, like I have written here, n is equal to least number of significant figure after decimal. This is very important here. This is what? After decimal in the measured value to be added or subtracted. Fine. I have written that much only. Those things you know, right? Counting you know. You have to count, like I have written here 1.3, 2.13, 1.012, right? So you have to count after decimal how many significant figures are there. In this how much is there? 1, in this 2, in this 3. Now addition, if you will add these 3 you will get this. Is this is the answer? No, this is not the correct answer using with significant figure. Then what will be the correct answer? Answer will be 4.4. Why 4.4? Because least number of significant figure is what? 1. जो आंसर होगा उसमें भी आफ्टर डेसिमल वो लीस्ट नंबर ही क्या होना चाहिए? सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर होना चाहिए. दिस इज फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड एडिशन, राइट? अंडरस्टूड? अगेन आई एम टेलिंग, सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर देखोगे किसमें है, राइट? 1.3 में है. कितना है? 1 है. तो आंसर जो होगा, फाइनल आंसर जो होगा उसमें भी डेसिमल के बाद एक ही सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर हो सकता है, राइट? अंडरस्टूड? अगर मैं यहाँ पे 1.30 लिख देता तो यहाँ भी 2 था, यहाँ भी 2 था, यहाँ भी तब क्या हो जाता? 2 हो जाता. क्लियर है? नो प्रॉब्लम विद दिस. नेक्स्ट सब्ट्रैक्शन, 15.36 minus 10.2. you will do, you will get 15.16. fine. 5.16. Again you have to convert this one into final answer. So how many significant figure is allowed in this question? Here how many? 2. Here how much? 1. So आंसर में कितना सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट रहना चाहिए? सिर्फ एक. इसको क्या लिखेंगे? 5.1 or 2? It will be 2. How? Rule number 1 which we read in the last video. How to round up the numbers. फाइन. आपको इस पे भी ध्यान देना है. क्लियर है? एनी प्रॉब्लम विद दिस? दिस इज विद एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? नेक्स्ट इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन और डिवीजन. इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन और डिवीजन अगेन सेम थिंग. कंसीडर n इज इक्वल्स टू लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर इन मेजर्ड वैल्यू. हियर यू डोंट हैव टू काउंट आफ्टर डेसिमल. In whole number, what is the significant number? Clear? What is the significant number? Clear? Any problem with this? No? Like here 1.4, here 20.02. तो significant figure 1.4 में कितना है? You know that is 2, and 20.02 will have 4 significant figure. तो मिनिमम कौन सा है? 2 या 4? ऑफ कोर्स 2, right? In final answer, if you multiply with using calculator, you will get this, or in hand also you will get this only. Fine. So you have to convert this into such manner so that significant figure in answer will be how much? Least is how much? 2. That means 2. So how you can convert this? This answer will be 28. Right? Next is what? Division. I have taken one example, 2202 divided by 20.4. Fine. So you have to see in this how many significant figure? 4. And in this is how much? 3. Fine. In the final answer, if you will use calculator, you will see this much will come. I have used calculator, that's why I am telling you are using calculator. Fine, you will get 107.9411764706. But this is not the final answer. Final answer will be that one in which significant figure will be how much? 3. Why 3? Because in this number, significant number is how much? 3. Fine. The answer will be round up rule. You will get 1.108. That is 108. Fine. These are the basic rules of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If you want to do the operation using significant figure, what is the basic difference? In this you have to count after decimal, and in this you have to count in whole number. What you have to count? Number of significant figure. Fine. After decimal, minimum significant number will be the minimum significant number in the answer also after decimal. Right? Here नंबर का जो मिनिमम नंबर में जो 2-3 नंबर होंगे आपके मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए, उसमें जो मिनिमम सिग्निफिकेंट नंबर होगा किसी भी एक नंबर में, आंसर में भी उतना ही सिग्निफिकेंट नंबर होना चाहिए. दिस इज द बेसिक थिंग ऑफ द और यूज ऑफ द सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. You think question will come in this manner? No, in competitive also questions are coming like this. Like question will come. Find the volume of a cube whose side is 1.2. Find the volume of the cube whose one side is 1.2. This is very easy ना. Before अगर इससे पहले आप लोग पढ़ते तो क्या करते? 1.2 का क्यूब निकाल देते, जितना आता वो आंसर हो जाता. बट नाउ 1.2 is the size of length. The significant figure is 1.2 is how much? 2. The final answer, that is 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2, whatever come, you have to convert that into such a manner so that significant figure in the final answer will be 2. Fine. Like this question can come, or question can come, find the volume of a sphere whose radius is 2.1.